Hi, Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. Today we're checking out the seat covers on the 2019 Ford F-350. Awesome looking set inside here. Goldberg bone-in stone camo for the insert, Java Croc for the trim. Really cool combo. And we're gonna check out all the different aspects inside here, front and back seats. Let's do it. So let's check out the fabrics inside this set that we did. The insert is a canvas fabric, very durable, water resistant canvas. Now this is a little bit more breathable compared to the simulated leather trim, and it's a camo canvas. And this particular camo is the Goldberg bone-in stone. Lots of browns, blacks, a little white in it as well, but some nice brown and black tones inside here. And it goes really well with the trim. The trim fabric is the Java Croc simulated leather fabric. Gonna wear really nice as well. Not quite as breathable, but it is more waterproof of a fabric as well. So that's one benefit to it. But both of these fabrics are gonna repel water really nice. We'll show you that on a clip here shortly. And again, just a really nice combo with the browns and blacks. There was a lot of black and gray inside the truck already, but we wanted to give it a little bit more color, give it some brown pop. And this combo really did that. Just a nice looking combination here. One quick note about stitching options. This particular build has horizontal stitching. Now, if you were to flip these fabrics and do Java Croc as the insert, you would have the option to do horizontal or diamond stitching. And a diamond stitch is a really nice look. Now, when you have a canvas like this as the insert, diamond stitching is not an option. So on this set, horizontal stitching was the style of stitching and does look very nice. Now on this bottom seat, as you can see, matching fabrics, Goldberg bone and stone camo for the insert, Java Croc for the sides, just matches up really nice. And as always, backrests and bottoms are going to be matching to make sure they look really nice. And we also recommend matching the rear row. We'll show you the rear row a little bit later in this video, but a really nice match on this bottom seat here. Now let's check out the fitment on the headrest up here. This is the driver headrest cover in Java Croc. Whatever trim fabric you choose, standard would be all your headrests and your middle seat sections would be out of the trim fabric. And again, in this case, Java Croc. Turned out really nice. As you can see down here, here is how it fits around the headrest post sections. Really nice there. Again, just a great fit on this headrest. Super common question is, are these airbag compatible? The answer is yes, they are airbag compatible. They can blow through, airbag can blow through the side of the seat right here through these Velcro tabs, but you get full closure on the outside right here, but it can blow through right there. Now let's check out the 20 section. This is a middle seat section called the 20 section, and it has a top storage compartment right here. You can see how the cover fits around nice and tight right here. Still gives you full access to your storage compartment right here. Full access to your cup holders as well. Up here, a really nice fit here. I have a full install video teaching you how to install it just like this. This is a little bit more of an advanced install, but watch the install video and you can get through it, and it gets on nice and tight right here. This will fold up right here. You can see the backrest. This is the 20 section backrest, finished out really nice. Headrest as well in the Java Croc turned out really nice. Now the bottom, this is a bottom 20 section storage where there's storage underneath this seat. And as you can see, this is a 3-piece seat cover to allow all of this to fold and function properly and just get a really nice fit. All in the Java Croc, looks killer good. So a little bit about some custom options. This is the driver side pistol holster. This pistol holster is sewn onto the driver seat cushion right here. And as you can see, you can put in a full-size pistol. Right here, you could put in smaller concealed pistols as well. And then what you do is you just take your console and it would slide down right there like that. So pulls in right there. It gets a little sticky, I guess you could say, with the Java Croc and simulated leathers, but with a canvas fabric, it'll slide in easier. Now, another thing you could use is you could slide a cell phone inside here like that, okay? And it could be a nice cell phone slot. It works best when you have a cushion like this as the middle 20 section to slide your pistol into there. When you have a hard console that's really tight, that's a little bit more difficult to use. but nice to have a side pistol holster like this. There's also options for front pockets and those are the MOLLE gun pockets or removable pockets, removable pistol pockets, and check those out on the website. You can see more videos and photos of those. Also, we'll shout out for our cell phone stickers, so if you want to grab one of those, coversandcamo.com, American flag and elk head stickers there. We will send one with each set of seat covers. If you want more, feel free to contact us. Now we're checking out the rear seats on this crew cab. So it's a full-size cab, and this rear seat is a 60/40 seat. So there's a 60 section right here and then a 40 section over there. It's an individual seat that lifts up. So there's going to be individual covers that fit on nice and tight to these seats. And now there's not a center armrest. A lot of 150s have a center armrest, and other, Super Duties will have armrests as well, especially in the higher trim levels. There will be an armrest. This one does not have a center armrest here, and kind of a unique thing in the Super Duties here. On this Super Duty, it does have a third insert section, which is kind of nice. Just because it's a larger seat, it gives allowance to do another insert section, which is kind of cool to see. Not always do you see that, and just nice to be able to show that off when we can here. Matching up with the Java Croc as the trim section back here, and Goldberg Bone and Stone as the insert. Headrests are decked out in the Java Croc as well, looking really nice. This has under-seat coverage, so if you have the seat lifted up like this with the dog in the back or your muddy bags back here or whatever it may be, it's nice to have the under-seat coverage coming all the way down here, so because this is carpet on the back side, and if that gets muddy and dirty, it's such a pain to clean that up. Whereas with this Java Croc simulated leather, it's going to wipe off super easy and keep nice and clean. So just a really nice looking set back here. This customer actually had ordered from us about 6 or 7 years ago on another vehicle, did a really cool set with Max 4 camo and ebony Croc. Really cool set, and check that out, the photos out on our site here. But this is a really nice combo. Really excited how it turned out with the front seats and rear seats. Again, full install video teaching you how to install the seat covers on the front and rear seats and just get it looking nice and tight like this. Okay, so these are water resistant. Just gonna show you how the water beads up on them like that. You can see how that is just beading up there, and easy to wipe off. Keep looking clean. Another custom option that this customer chose to have is the rear fabric pockets. The rear fabric pocket really mimics the OEM map pocket that vehicles would normally have, although it's a little bit larger. It's a nice deep pocket, great pocket for binoculars, jackets, lighter items might go back here. And again, it's on the driver and passenger sides, made out of whatever trim choice of fabric you choose. In this case, it was Java Croc. So Java Croc's going around the back side of the seat right here, and then there's another layer that forms the pocket, and that's gonna be this rear fabric pocket right here. Now, you might also consider adding on the special ops pockets, and that adds rifle slings, bow carriers, a bunch of compartments to the back side right here. And if you were to add in the special ops package or the special ops pockets to the back side of your seats, and it's also known as a tactical package back here, if you were to add that on, we always do that out of a canvas fabric. So you're going to want to decide which canvas fabric you do back here, and I think what would look best in this particular setup would be the Goldberg Bone and Stone camo, which would then be the same fabric that was used as the inserts inside here. So this whole back panel would be made out of Goldberg Bone and Stone, and then all the pockets would be made out of Goldberg Bone and Stone. And that would really match up nice inside the vehicle. You could also just do a straight black. I think that's a little bit boring, but it's an option. You could do that. And again, best bet in this vehicle for the special ops would be a canvas fabric out of the Goldberg Bone and Stone, and would look really nice. Now, if you don't do the special ops, just do the rear fabric pockets, it'll be out of the Java Croc matching trim fabric. Just want to show you the fitment of the back side of the 20 section. The 20 section is going to have a lid cover up here, and it's going to connect to the 20 section backrest cover right here. So they connect up right here. Again, full install video showing you how to do this. but just want to show you, it fits it down so nice and tight around this 20 section lid right here. I really like how that all fit around here, and just looks really nice. Thanks so much for watching this video. Again, this has been Neil here with Covers Camo, your source for custom seat covers. To see more, go to coversandcamo.com. We offer seat covers for trucks, Jeeps, cars, SUVs, and UTVs. So if you have a vehicle you're thinking about getting seat covers on, jump over to Covers Camo. We really focus on seat covers that are a great fit, have tons of custom options, and we give unparalleled customer service. So if you have a seat cover that you're looking for, jump over to coversandcamo.com. Thanks.